Folks, how are y'all doing? How's the crew? How's your life, man? I don't give a fuck about your life. Fuck you. You should. I hope you die. I don't hope anybody dies. That's if you're with me, don't die. I hope you live a very long life until 100 years old. Until 1,000. Make it 1,000,000. Make it internal actually. Fuck it. Building 1,000,000 here, make it internal. Or external. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Hey, we're just traders. Damn, we'll be clapped. But, shout out to Pat2 Pro. Oh, Pat2P. Yes, sir. Let him know. This is my bros, my brothers, my brother, and me. Trying with the best to become the best. Type shit. Alright, let's get it. Today, I was looking for shorts. People were like, Taki! Yo, Big DDT! How did you know to look for a short on this specific day where the market was going down? How did you determine this reversal? You know how I determined the reversal? Was because I am the motherfucking G. I'm your guy. I'm your dealer. What are you looking for? If you need an assassin, me. You need to start some wars, me. Anything. If it's the right amount, right? There's nothing that's gonna stop me from causing wars, killing somebody, and hopefully I don't get killed. Oh no. I mean, it's a joke, all right? I just said to just be a man, I just act like one, all right? Fuck, man. Somebody gotta take it serious. Somebody fucking took it serious and DM me about that shit. I was like, bro, I'm making a video just for some people to get laugh. What the fuck you so pissed for? I'm like, bro, you're complaining about a use that topic. Fucking focus on making money rather than fucking yapping. He's like, oh yeah, yes, boss. All right. Like, oh shit, thank you. Like, I was like, he's like, let's get it. Today I was looking for a short. Today I didn't have a setup. I did have a auto CRT, but never tap. But I should have never been in the market. Today during the time I was looking for a shut up. Shut. Oh, actually, I would have definitely looked for a setup today, but it never got tapped. But because actually no, I would have not been a setup because my entry was not in the OTE because today was obviously the OTE, right? High, low, higher, high, lower, low. It's going to be a New York OTE, which my entry, first of all, never got tapped. Second of all, even for it to happen, I would have not been in the market. Because if I were to take a trade and he offered me, let's say, I would have been so fucking dumb because it didn't make sense, right? Because I'm fucking selling too low, right? So, and then it doesn't look like I'm selling too low overall, but during that time, there's a fucking OT that day. Today. Right, so today I was overall bearish, as you guys know, obviously. Weekly IRL, back to weekly ERL, and weekly we have no weekly CRT downside. On a daily time frame, we have a daily CRT downside, and daily probable old high. As you guys know, we only participate on daily CRTs in ranges and pups and dumps below old highs or old low. The daily time frame, we had a daily key level, daily fair value gap, we had a premium discount, we're in premiums, we want to sell off. We're in Thursdays, we want to reverse. We're Thursday, Friday, we want to reverse, and we're cap the weekly range. Tomorrow, we can possibly anticipate a choppy candle or a fucking reversal candle. Make a hammer candle where next week is just going to expand. We could definitely do that as well. So that's what we had for our higher time frame. Classic expansion profile went to the upside. Monday low of, Tuesday low of the week. So we're looking for some sort of reversals here because our bias overall in the higher time frame is bearish. Lower time frame with our key level, this bias liquidity as well as this fair value gap. The London session move, there was a move at the London session, but I didn't take it because it didn't have the right model one, as well as it never got tapped, right? And I would have, even if it got tapped, I would have not taken it because the right model one matters, right? The close below, wick above, wick below, close above, close below matters a lot to me. And our 4 hour key level is just for our order block, yep. As well as that's all we had. We had a near continuation. Obviously, we had a bearish order flow after the 9 a.m. candle. Now the order flow is overall bearish. It was a low that broke the high and tapped the higher 10 key level, which we're already in it, as well as the order flow is now bearish, and that's all we had. But going on to lower time frame, in the lower time frame, the agents lows were cleared, and it was a clear near continuation, as well as non-achievement the high of the day, as well as market was clearly continuing in a one-sided direction in the hourly time frame. It's scooped up the lows, so it's automatically going in a one-sided direction. And I was looking for this hot dog soup, which never got souped. And eventually I was like, okay, I could look for this inside bar soup, then go down lower, which it went up a little bit, but it instantly reversed. Boom, going down lower. I'm pretty sure it was the SMT with its quality asset, but with the quality asset, quality asset I'm trading, it never had SMT. So I'm like, okay, I only want SMT with DXY primarily. Anything else than DXY, I'm not looking to take it. That's why the market is fucking up a lot. That's why you want to focus on SMTs with DXY primarily. So that's what happened. I never had a setup, but even were there to be a setup, I could have not executed it because New York OTE. And that's the one thing I didn't pay attention today. I didn't pay attention to New York continuation. I didn't pay attention to New York OTE. So from now on forward, every single day, my primary focus is going to be the higher time frame. Right when we go to lower time frame, the first thing I'm looking for is there a New York OTE? Is there an OTE? If there's no OTE, okay, we're fine to trade it, at any price the market wants to go to. But if there's OTE, we can trade only during a specific price point. Like, see, our entry was at below the 0.50% mark, so we could have not executed a trade at all. So yeah, that's lesson number one, and that's the last lesson. Everything else is fine. But yeah, the lesson of the day is after the higher time frame is met, when we know what we're looking for in the lower time frame, there must be a New York OTE. If there isn't a New York OTE, or if it's a New York continuation, there's an OTE, we can only trade the 0.50% margin for 86 mark, because I have had fucking times before where I traded before that the 0.50% gets set. I traded before the 0.50% and the market fully fucked me up, right? I fucking felt the pain too many fucking times, so it shouldn't happen again. Yes, Olu didn't make a mistake, but I didn't fucking pay attention enough. In order for, like, if that were to happen and I would have fucked up, now I'm losing a trade for no fucking reason, right? The mistake should never happen again. And yeah, that's a lesson. The lesson is that after the Hachijunki is met, or Hachijunki analysis is done, the lower time frame, if it's in a situation, we look for the OT first. We don't look for nothing else but OT first. Then we look for the key levels, etc., right? And CRTs. And secondly, it doesn't even have to matter if it's New York OTE. As long as the OTE in the 4-hour time frame is primarily, the OTE is always going to be a New York situation. Without New York situation, there's going to be no OTEs. So it's primarily that. But yeah, that's a lesson. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share. Join us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.